Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I upload new videos at least once a week. Usually there's something tea related, sometimes they are Disney related, or sometimes I just like to do some kind of fun vlog. Today I'm going to be trying a new tea by DAVIDSTea. It's called Fireside Mocha. And as an added bonus, since it comes in this little kit, I'm going to be kind of unboxing this kit from DAVIDSTea for you. This is called Peace and Joy Teas, and it's 4 herbal blends. So I bought this because the Fireside Mocha wasn't available to buy as loose tea yet, and I just really wanted to get my hands on it. I'm super eager to try it, and I thought it would be a really fun tea to share with you guys since I haven't tried it before. The other teas in this are apple cider, caramel shortbread, and sleigh ride. And then it comes with a DAVIDSTea Perfect Spoon in this beautiful green color. When I bought this, I really didn't want another Perfect Spoon, and I was thinking maybe I'll give it to somebody for Christmas, but it's like mesmerizing. It's so beautiful. So I might hold on to this actually. The tins that came in this are super adorable. It was hard for me to rationalize like buying these because, I don't know, it's like, I really just wanted it for the one tea. I mean, the other teas I like too, except for the sleigh ride, but I'm willing to give it another try, to be honest. But my fiance was like, don't you want those cute tins though? And I was like, damn, you got me, I do. This one is the Fireside Mocha, so this is the one I'm gonna be trying. It has Christmas lights on top, but I think my favorite tin is actually the tea I like the least. The sleigh ride tin. Look at the top, it's like trees, but in some of the trees, it has like, it looks like there's a penguin like hiding in the tree. I don't know, it looks so cute though. I love the colors. The year that I worked at DAVIDSTea, everything was like these kinds of colors, like the navy blue and the gold and the pastels. And it just like inspired me so much. I wanted to like have a whole new wardrobe with everything, those colors. I was obsessed. Caramel shortbread comes in this really cute light blue tin with stars on top. Apple cider, this is like a dark forest green color and has like these snowflakes, these little stars on top. So yeah, it's a fun little kit. The Perfect Spoon is an exclusive that they don't sell on its own. Let's get into the Fireside Mocha because that is what we are checking out today. So let's get it steeping before we do anything else. Oh my God. Looks like granola. I'm excited to show you guys. It's all stuck together, which is a little bit unsettling, but that's okay. It's an herbal tea, so we can let it steep as long as we want. It's kind of cool because there's coffee beans in it too. So it's an herbal tea, but there will be a small amount of caffeine in it. We have our tea steeping. Now let's set it aside and see what we can find out about the ingredients. So since it came in this like little package thing, it doesn't have like the full description that would come on like the little silver bags. And it doesn't say it on here either. So I'm going to read it off the internet. Fireside Mocha, herbal tea with low caffeine. It does have some caffeine though because there are coffee beans and chocolate in this, so it's not completely caffeine free like a regular herbal tea would be. The description. This rich Java inspired tea is what mochaccino dreams are made of. Think cocoa beans, red peppercorns, and sweet little Christmas tree sprinkles. With lingering notes of cream, coffee, and milk chocolate, it's a well-balanced herbal blend that'll make you want to curl up with a frothy tea latte and let your mind wander. Dreaming of the holidays yet? That's so cute. And then how it tastes. This is a little section that is online that we don't have on the little bag, so this is kind of cool. How it tastes. Sweet, creamy, and chocolatey with light coffee notes like a rich mochaccino. What makes it great? We added festive little green Christmas tree sprinkles for a touch of sweetness. This very low caffeine tea makes a killer holiday latte. The ingredients, of course, cocoa beans, apple, sugar, sugar sprinkles, chocolate chips, pink peppers, and natural flavoring. Allergens are soy. So I guess there's no dairy in this, which is super interesting because there is chocolate. Time to check out the loose tea. This tea looks like granola to me. Like, it looks different than any tea I've seen before. Oh, this is how it looks. See if I can give you guys a good close-up. It has those cute little sprinkles, which are adorable. It's like little Christmas trees. I feel like this would be the tea that you would bring when you go to like cut down a Christmas tree. You know how some people do that? Like you get a real Christmas tree and you go to like a tree farm and you pick it out and you like chop it down yourself. This seems like the tea you would bring for that. The combination of the green little tree sprinkles and the red peppercorns looks so cute because it looks like Rudolph's nose or like holly berries or something. So that is adorable. I think it's so like fun when DAVIDSTea does these like coffee and tea hybrids. I feel like it's such a like weird thing to do, but they like do it constantly. So it smells a lot like Mocha Latte did, which was a tea a couple years ago. They brought it out for like a back to school collection. It was also an herbal tea, but it had like coffee and chocolate as well. And this kind of smells like that, but a little bit different. I wasn't a fan of Mocha Latte, but back then I wasn't a fan of like the taste of coffee at all. And now I really do enjoy the taste of coffee. I am predicting that I will like this tea, but I think this will make an even better tea latte than just a regular straight up tea. You know what would have been really cool is if they would have done a peppermint mocha tea instead of just like a Fireside Mocha. One time when I worked at DAVIDSTea, I mixed peppermint, what was it? I think dark chocolate delight, because we didn't have hot chocolate yet, and coffee pour. I mixed those three because I wanted like the taste of a peppermint mocha, and it worked out pretty well. And I'd be like willing to put money on that it was like 1,000,000 calories less than a real peppermint mocha. This smells like it's gonna be pretty good. I know it's gonna be really sweet because of the chocolate and the sprinkles and the little like sugar crystals. It seems really heavy on the apple. I'm surprised that apple isn't the very first ingredient. The first ingredient is cocoa beans. Oh, so it's not even it's cocoa beans. Those aren't coffee. So you know what? This isn't even coffee, is it? Ooh, okay, so there's a plot twist. These are not coffee beans. They are cocoa beans, which is really interesting because it's, let's see, rich Java inspired tea is what mochaccino dreams are made of. Cocoa beans, red peppercorn, and sweet little green Christmas tree sprinkles with lingering notes of cream, coffee, and milk chocolate. So there are some coffee notes. Very interesting. So considering that these are not coffee beans and they're cocoa beans, it's weird because I feel like it still smells like coffee, but there's no reason that it would because, well, I mean, the reason would be that they intended for it to taste like coffee, so, but there's no coffee beans. This has been steeping like about 10 minutes, so I think we're good to remove our steeper now. It's not as dark of a color as I pictured, and it's pretty like opaque. It's not very see-through. I think it might still be just a little too hot, but I'm gonna go for it. It's good. It's very sweet. I am getting the coffee note. I mean, if I wasn't a person who drinks coffee pretty often, I probably would feel like this really tastes like coffee. But also, it might have like swayed my opinion that I found out that it's not coffee beans, but cocoa beans. So maybe, yeah, no. It tastes more like chocolate, but it does taste a little like coffee. I know a lot of you guys buy like the flavored agaves from DAVIDSTea, and I think this would be really good with like a chocolate agave to amp up the chocolate flavor just a little bit. But I really do think with like, as a latte with like some milk, even if you put like some creamer, I feel like you could even do like a hot chocolate, like a tea infused hot chocolate sort of thing. If you made like this but with chocolate milk and like froth the milk, I don't know. I've been thinking a lot about like tea infused hot chocolates, and I think this might be a good candidate to try that with. But I'm liking this. One of my favorite things about tea is that it's all self-care. Like, you just feel good when you drink it. It's literally like warm and cozy because it's warm and it feels good, like physically, you know, like to drink it. But also, like, another one of my favorite things is there's no guilt involved. Like, I don't think you should ever feel guilty about like eating or drinking something you enjoy, but I prioritize my health like a lot. I've gone through like a pretty big weight loss journey in the last couple years. And I was thinking the other day, like, it's hard to go out and get like coffee drinks because usually they're loaded with a lot of different stuff. Like, you'll be getting like a lot of milk, a lot of like syrups, which have tons of sugar. So a lot of people end up like gaining a lot of weight and they don't know why. And it's because of the coffee drinks that they order. The thing with tea is there's nothing to it. Like, it's just like steeped leaves, and sometimes there's a few calories here and there, but literally like this tea has 5 calories per cup. And the one with the most calories in this has 10. If you go to like a coffee shop and you get like a medium-sized like peppermint mocha, something like that, you're looking at like 400 calories, and this has none, like virtually 0 calories. It probably costs you 5 calories to even like make the tea. And that's another thing I love. It's just like the ritual of like making a cup of tea feels so good. It's all good vibes. It's just like feels good to drink a cup of tea. You don't have to feel any sort of bad way about drinking tea. You can have as much tea as you want, and you might have to use the bathroom, but it's all good. This tea is really nice and cozy. It has such a cozy vibe. It almost reminds me of like a hot chocolate, but I feel like this is what I'm gonna like bring with me when I go. There's this special event near my house. It's like an arboretum, so there's like a ton of trees and they're open like in the summer and in the fall and everything. There's like nice walking paths, but in the winter, they decorate, there's like a mile-long trail, and they decorate everything with like beautiful lights, and they do all this really unique stuff. They hang like chandeliers in like from these really tall trees, and it's just so like ethereal and beautiful. And this is like the tea I would want to drink there, like walking a trail and like looking at lights and like holding something warm. So this is a super cozy, fun tea, and I'm really glad that I bought it. If it does come into the stores as loose tea, I actually might buy a little bit more because it's really delicious and really nice. If you made it through the video, let me know in the comments below one of your favorite like Christmas activities. Like I told you guys about like the Arboretum Trail. So let me know something fun that you guys like to do for Christmas. Do you like to drive around with your family and look at Christmas lights? Do you go to a Christmas parade? Do you celebrate a holiday other than Christmas and have a special tradition for it? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. I hope you enjoyed my review of Fireside Mocha, and I hope you're having a beautiful holiday season, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.